Hi, sweetheart. Is there a better way to teach you how to make Odamaki Mushi than to make a video? I don't think so. So here it is, a video on how to make Odamaki Mushi. Ooh, yummy, Odamaki Mushi. Hi, sweetheart. We love chawanmushi and we like wakame udon, so I thought I'd put them together and try something new. As it turns out, it's called Odamaki Mushi, and it's not something new. So let me show you how to make Odamaki Mushi step by step. We're going to start by boiling a couple pots of water. And in this pot, we're going to do wakame dashi, or seaweed soup stock. We don't want to boil it. We're going to simmer it. So we're going to turn the heat down to medium or low, about that high. We want to cover it because we don't want too much dashi to escape. This is our ingredients that we're going to use. Egg, udon noodles, wakame, shiitake mushroom, kamaboko, mirin, and my favorite dashi soup stock, green onions. If the water starts to boil, I'm opening the package of my udon noodles. We're going to gently set that in. Then occasionally we'll use some chopsticks to break it out. As soon as it's broken up and cooked in about 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to strain it out and get ready to add it to the chawanmushi bowls. The dashi powder. But again, we don't want it to boil. When you boil the dashi, it bruises it. Now that color is a little on the light side. Add another 1/4 teaspoon. There we go. And it's warm enough we can add the wakame. Seaweed, and cover it right up. And over here it's just starting to break up. This is boiling and almost done. So I'm going to turn it off and let it set. And I'm going to strain the wakame. Slicing. This shiitake mushroom smells so good. Just the bowls we're going to use. I pre-diced the chicken. Oops. Bushy meshy. Wakame. That's nice. I simmered it too long. Better. Ice the chicken. Three spoonfuls of medium. There's stuff that's another medium style sweet cooking. And it's 2.5. I like the way this pours. I don't know if I have enough broth, so we'll just do 2 here. The medium should match the broth, otherwise it'll be too sweet. One. 2. 3. I do have enough. So I'll add one more. How come this doesn't come out? Three eggs. 1, 2, 3. Stir in a circular motion to make so that there's not too many bubbles. Green onions. Curve your fingers and run the knife against your knuckles so you don't cut your finger. That's a lot of green onion. I didn't expect it to be so much. pretty good. Strain out the bubbles. The worst is the bubbles when you have any kind of a custard. Now we do the scoopy scoop. Put the bulb close to the lip so I don't drip custard all over the place. And if you swirl this around, you can get an open spot. Now while it's half full, I'm gonna mix it up real good, make sure that the kamaboko and the mushroom and the wakame is thoroughly mixed and broken up. All covered, nice and thick. That made more foam, my bad. Ooh, that's a lot of foam. Foam removal. I think I saved it. Here's the trick with using the chawanmushi in the bowl. We're going to put a paper towel on the bottom so it doesn't clatter in the lid. We're going to cover with aluminum foil. I'm going to curl up the ends because we want to be able to take the lid off and check it and be able to put the lid back on. By scrunching up the sides, it makes like an actual cover. So we can pull it off, check it, and push it back down. Then we gotta have the other one. Set this here. I'm going to move this over to the stove and add the water and start boiling it. Let's take a look and see how it is. Just turn the heat down so I don't burn my hands. And the most important thing with mushi, Odamaki, is that when you stick the chopstick in, the most important thing is that the juice runs clear all the way down. And it is very clear. So this is totally done. I'm going to check both of them. We don't want and it smells so yummy. We gotta make sure we check it. Put our chopstick in, pull it back, make sure that there's no milky juice that comes out. Yummy custard. It's delicious. Oh, it's so hot.